Hello traders, this is Debraj again, and today we are going to continue the Divergence series. As we know that we have started this Divergence series last week, and I'm going to post 8 to 10 episodes every week, and those are only on Divergence with order flow confluences. So the idea is I wanted to show every week we are going to discuss the same setups, the easiest setup because divergence anyone can spot in the market, and how you can confluence your order flow with the divergence setups. Because we are not trading divergence blindly, we are taking order flow footprint confirmation while trading divergence. So that's the idea. So if you have not watched the last video, please check the description or click on the I button to because that will redirect you to the previous video. I mean the first episode of our divergence series. So today is second episode of the divergence series, and I'm going to discuss 2 or 3 divergence setups which occurred last week, and the same thing will be going to showing you every week. Okay, so let's discuss about this EURUSD. The day was 21st of February, Monday. So see, this is my order block, but if you don't also consider order block, it doesn't matter. But the price was at good place also at the same time. I just wanted to mention that it was also at a good price level, good price action level. So we are seeing here there's a divergence indicator tool is there in TradingView. You can use that, or you can use RSI, whatever, RSI, stochastic, anything you can use. It doesn't matter actually. So in this thing, we can see that we have a W, we have a divergence here. The price is making equal lows here, but the indicator is making higher low. So that's a divergence. And what we are doing and what we are trying to show you is every time when we get a divergence on the second leg, this is your first leg, this is your second leg. So on the divergence second leg, we want to see if there is any order flow footprint confirmation or not. If I am seeing at this point of time on the second leg, buyers are getting stronger or not. If I am seeing that yes, buyers are getting stronger from the footprint chart, then it's a valid buy for me and the buy would be more confident. So let's look on that day, 21st of January, what these two legs gave us. This is the first leg of divergence, this is the second leg of divergence. Let's check 21st of February. If I pull out my order flow chart, so this is 6E. We look at the Euro futures data. When we're trading EURUSD, this is 30 minutes chart. I'm also seeing his 30 minutes chart. So with these setups, you don't have to stress much also. You don't have to stress much because 30 minutes is enough time. Okay, each 30 minutes you come and check the chart whether you have divergence or not, and if you get divergence, then come to order flow and start looking your setups. So let's check what is happening. This is the first leg, so that's the same thing happening here. This is my first leg and this is my second leg. This side, left side is the first leg of the divergence, right side is the second leg of the divergence. On the first leg, what we have seen, already I can see on the first leg there is some order flow setup, some 142 sellers trapped here or stopped out here. 142 contracts, sell contracts, try to push the market down, but the candle closed bullish and the price went up. So that's already happened on the first leg. Fine, but at that time we didn't have divergence, so we are waiting. Second leg, when the price came here in the second leg, from the price action, if that's the place, second leg here, when the indicator is telling you it's a divergence because the indicator makes higher low, but the price makes same low. So that's a divergence. When the divergence was happening on the second leg, then what was happening here? Let's check. We can see these sellers, these three, if you see here on these last 3 slots, 32, 26, 22, these sellers tried to push the market down. Okay, they are trying, but they could not. We have a single print here, price is going up, going up, going up. Here on this big candle, you see the lots of buyers are joining here. These blue numbers are nothing but buying imbalances. You've seen these blue numbers, 27, 36, 27. These blue numbers are jumping around. So if you read the whole story in these 4 candles, what you have seen, that means these sellers are trapped, right? Because these sellers, 32, 26 and 36, 28 and 22, okay, these sell contracts tried to push the market down, but they could not because the price went up. And this is happening at your divergence level. So that is saying us that yes, you can pull out the buy from here. So from where we can pull out the buy? Before pulling out the buy, let's check this here, the delta. We all know that min delta is for selling pressure, max delta is for buying pressure, and delta is for the main candle pressure. See here, consecutive 3 candles we are getting min delta 0, 0, 0. So that means there is no selling pressure here. That's also telling us that yes, buyers have already won this game here. At this point of time, buyers are winning. Buyers are outnumbering the sellers. And this is happening at your second leg of divergence. First leg also we got some trap, seller's trap, and second leg we are getting the signs from the order flow footprint that buyers are really winning here. After this big bullish candle, we normally enter from the point of control. These rectangles are point of control, so you can enter directly from here. So from order flow footprint, my entry would be somewhere here. This is the entry. That's the trade, and your stop loss would be just here. So if I can just mention the same thing on the EURUSD chart, that would be here. My entry would be just here in this candle. Here was the point of control of this big candle. Your stop loss would be 15 pips. That's a little bit more for me, but still I'm aiming for 3R. See, the price gave us 3R, 3 risk reward ratio. That's the EURUSD trade. Anyway, that was our second episode today. Please check our channel because we'll be releasing more episodes on only divergence and order flow footprint. To make you believe that divergence and footprint chart is a very good combination. It's a very, very good combination, and you don't have to search for any other strategy actually. If you get this strategy and if you can repeat the same thing again and again, then you have a strategy actually which can give you at least more than 60% win rate with 3RR risk reward. That's what we all need. Anyway, I hope you got my point, and yeah, keep watching this channel. We'll be releasing more nice contents for you. Thank you so much for today. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.